Okay, hey guys, so for today's video, I'm really excited about. I'm very hesitant in doing this video only because it's a little different. I wouldn't say it's an anti-sketchbook because there is sketchbooks in there. And I know there's videos out there for anti-sketchbooks or anything like that. But your sketchbook is meant for you, and I've done like plenty of sketchbook tips and tricks videos on my channel. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Anna from Anna's Drawing Channel. I haven't really introduced myself lately, but there have been new people on my channel lately, so I just wanted to introduce myself. But I just want to, this is not like a draw with me video, sketch with me video. This is not a sketchbook video, but yeah, it is a sketchbook video, but it's meant for inspiration video. So, not really a sketchbook tour again, but this is more an inspiration video. Let me rephrase that. Inspiration. This is just to give you guys ideas, tips, tricks of what you can do in your sketchbooks. But your sketchbook is for you and for you to explore and for you to try things, put stuff in. That is the key word for today's video, is put stuff into your sketchbook. What I mean by sketchbook, not by drawing or anything, that's one way to do it. But there's so many ways that you can do in your sketchbook. This right here is my sketchbook. Yes, there's junk on it. Yes, I'm proud of that junk. But what I mean by junk is around the house. Like right here, I have aluminum foil, I have bows, I have feathers, I have wrapping paper, I have flowers. It's your sketchbook. I've been taking a lot of Skillshare classes on YouTube. They're like, just draw your sketchbook. Make your sketchbook is your happy place. And I keep saying that on the channel, but I didn't really understand, like, what makes me, well, okay, I do understand what makes me happy, but to put in my sketchbook, I've always been so worried and putting stuff into my sketchbook, like feeling judged or anything, but nobody's judging me really, except for you guys, but don't judge. But this is my sketchbook. I tried new styles. I tried putting stuff around the house into my sketchbook. Like you see a bag of chips in my sketchbook, yes. But you can always turn the tables. You can always draw what you're putting into your sketchbook. But I just want to have some examples, so you guys can get a general feel and idea of what's going to be this video is going to be about. If I can flip to the page real quick, I had it marked. So this is what you're going to be seeing in today's video. Something like this. I have put one of my dad's shirt pockets in here. It's a very old shirt, so I was able to do it. And so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I've been giving you examples of what you can put in your sketchbooks that are not limited to just sketches. I also show you how you can use sketchbook spreads and draw across the sketchbook. Like I can't wait to get a hardcover sketchbook and draw across the page fine. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to comment down below. I hope this video inspires you as well as these classes inspired me. I learned them from Skillshare classes, and if I weren't for them, I probably would still be stuck. So go check Skillshare out. This is not a sponsored video by any means. Not meant to be sponsored but I just wanted to say Skillshare is awesome, and yeah, so anyways, if you have any questions or anything like that, let me know what you want to see next in the next upcoming videos. I am currently taking video suggestions, so leave them in the comments down below. And let me know what's your favorite thing I have put in my sketchbook. Also let me know. That'll be a good conversation starter. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys. Oh, continue watching the rest of the video. There we go. So, continue watching the video. Okay, hey guys, and welcome to today's video. Hopefully it's not too bright for you guys. Okay, sorry guys, I had to make sure it was recording and hopefully it's okay for you guys. Sorry about that for a second. Today's video, kind of a new video, obviously, and I just wanted to take a moment and express that this video is about filling your sketchbook, but in a completely new way. And I've been taking a few Skillshare classes, been watching a few YouTube videos and everything, and they were like all suggesting not to use Sketchbook only for drawing, but for everything. And they were giving examples in Skillshare classes, and I took the heart to do it, and I'm like really excited. So today's video is not really a sketchbook tour, but examples of what you could put in your sketchbook, what you can use your sketchbook for. It's not necessarily a drawing video, but it's just an inspiration video. So I hope you guys enjoy. And with further ado, let's get on with the video. Okay, hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about, I just have to make sure it's recording, about putting everything into your sketchbook. But what do I mean for everything? I mean, it took me a long time to figure out what everything is. Well, everything is up to you, and that is your sketchbook. You can collage in it. You can put stuff in it. You can stuff it up as long as you're happy with it. Like, this is my sketchbook right here. You can see it's messy. You can see I collaged in it. You can see that I had got things around the house to fill up my sketchbook. Like, this is aluminum foil, and this is a bow, feather, wrapping paper, scrapbook paper, ribbon, or one of those for stuff, and then a flower, and this is notebook paper. So anything in your sketchbook could be anything really. That's not necessarily for drawing, but I just want to include a few more examples and tips and tricks of what you can do. Like, this is just a blank page of marker bleeder. But what did I put in here? I put a freedom bag. Because I wanted to. I don't know if you guys can see that okay. But let me adjust it a little bit. Come on. But I put a Fritos bag in here. Hopefully you guys can see that okay. And I'm like, okay, what else can I stick in here? So I put another Doritos bag. I know I eat a lot of chips, but I made a pocket of scrapbook paper. Hopefully that guy can see that okay. Kind of cute, kind of treat your sketchbook like here when I did the summer and fall illustrations for traditional wise. I put those in here. So, and I create a mini pocket, and I had a book and the pocket as well. So you can put kind of like a book within a book. And I found this, a lot of, it be a trend and everything, of to have everything in your sketchbook. Like, here's some sketches, finally, right? Like, some sketches, drawings. Here's a hair tie or hair clip, flower. I have the pages marked to, really, flip quickly through the pages. Let's see, I hope that's not copyrighted. Here's more wrapping paper I have put in. Here's what I did with one of my dad's shirts. It's an old shirt, so he said I could do it. And put a pocket in here. Put more bows, wrapping paper. Just everything in here. And here is more sketches, and just basically have fun with your sketchbook. This is supposed to be an inspiration video. Also, I learned a new thing about sketchbooks. You can draw across the page. I cannot wait to go back to my hardcover sketchbook so I can do that. But this is just another example of what you can do. There's only my character. But you could do so much with your sketchbook. Your sketchbook, you're not limited to the pages. You can stuff things in. I use tape, but you could go to town with glue or whatever. But I just wanted to have some tips on tricks for you, for your sketchbook. It's not a drawing video. Here is like a page of sketches. But your sketchbook is meant for you. This looks like a feather from a boa or something that I found in my mom's art room. Shh, don't tell her. So this is just stuff from around the house that you can put in your sketchbook to fill it up. Your sketchbook is meant for you, and it's not meant to be perfect. Like, this is my junk sketchbook. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. So tip number 1, find things around the house, put stuff in your sketchbook. Number 2, use tape. Number 3, collage in your sketchbook. I want to show you the collages, but I did not use non-copyrighted images, so I don't want to get like flagged or anything. So plus this is just for me, and sketchbook is meant for you. Yes, I'm sharing it, but then again, yeah. So I hope you guys enjoy today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It's kind of a short one because we've had longer ones, and we had shorter ones, longer ones. I don't know, videos lately, so I thought it would be a quick version of that. If you have any ideas or tips and tricks from me, leave them in the comments below. Hopefully this is inspiring to you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye guys.